Good morning children. Today we will start the third chapter and the name of the chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. Clothes are made by the fibers. Fibers is a very thin thread like substance which is used to make clothes, and these fibers may be natural or synthetic. So there are two types of fibers. You already studied in the 7th class. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic or man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from nature. It means these are obtained from the plants or animals, such as cotton obtained from the cotton plant, silk obtained from the silkworm, wool obtained from the wool yielding animals like sheep, yak, camel, rabbit, etc. And jute is obtained from the jute plant. So these fibers are obtained from the plants or animals, so they are called natural fibers. Second type of fibers are synthetic or man-made fibers. These are obtained from the chemicals and made by the human beings in the factories. Okay, so these fibers use the chemicals. They are not found in the nature, like nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic, etc. These fibers use the chemical substance and made in the factories. That's why these are known as synthetic or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers. So in this chapter we will study about the only synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic. One by one we discuss about the how they prepare, okay, and what are the characteristics of these fibers. Synthetic fibers are obtained by chemical processing of petrochemicals. Okay, synthetic fibers are obtained by the chemical processing, and this chemical processing is known as polymerization, and chemicals are used. Like natural fibers, these fibers can also be woven into fabric. Both natural fibers also used to make the clothes, and synthetic fibers also used to make the clothes. So both are used by the making the fabrics. Fabrics means clothes. So I told you that the process name is polymerization. Synthetic fibers are made by the processing polymerization. So what is polymerization, what is polymer, and what is monomer? I will explain it. Polymerization is the process in which small unit of the chemical join together and make a large unit, and this large unit is known as polymer and a small unit is known as monomer. Okay, polymerization is the process in which small unit of chemical substance join together and make a very large unit, that is polymer. So each small unit is actually a chemical substance, and that chemical substance is known as monomer. They join together and make a long chain of chemical substance. This long chain is known as polymer, and this process is known as polymerization. Okay, so we can easily understand by giving one example, and this example of the necklace. This necklace is made up of the beads. Beads means moti. So necklace is made by small beads joined together. Okay, so these small beads, each small beads is known as monomer. What we call it? Monomer. And it resemble this each bead resemble to the monomer, and monomer is a chemical substance. Okay, it is a chemical substance. So each chemical substance join together and make a long chain. This long chain resembles to the polymer. Okay, this chain is known as polymer, and we know this polymer is made up of the chemical substance. So here I explained the topic polymerization. Polymerization is the process of making the synthetic fibers. Okay, so children, read this chapter from the book and try to understand and listen the video attentively. And I am also sending some notes. You note down in your notebooks in good and neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.